morning. So in the last class we discussed about different types of angles and all. So I hope all that things are clear to you. So today we will start with the problems how we can find different angles. If one or two angles are given, how we can find the missing angles. So that topic we are going to deal with today. Okay. So exercise 24A. We are going to do exercise 24A in that 6th question. So in that only the first one we are going to do now. So it's given that P, Q, R and S. So whenever you are getting a question, just draw it in the right side, left side we will do the problems. So what all things are given there? Angle SQR is equal to 75 degree. What is angle SQR? Just start S. QR. So this angle is given. So just write there 75 degree. Okay. Now we are going to write here angle SQR is equal to 75 degree, which is given there. And what is asked to find out? It is asked to find out angle PQS. What is PQS? PQS means this angle we want to find out. So angle PQS is not given and we want to find out that. So what all things are given here? Only one angle. Just check the question thoroughly. One more angle is given. What is that angle? It is angle PQR. What is angle PQR? Angle PQR is equal to, see, PQR. It's a, what is this? It's a straight angle and its degree is 180 degree. And we know that it is 180 degree. So the total is 180 degree. From that, this path is 75. Total 180, the small part is 75. What will be this remaining part? We want to subtract the 75 from 180 degree. So we can write, therefore, angle PQS is equal to, from which we are subtracting? From angle PQR, we are subtracting angle SQR. If you want, you can write angle RQS also, which is equal to 180 degree minus 75 degree. Whenever you are writing, don't forget to write this degree. So 180 minus 75. Just go to the working column, do it and then write down the answer. So 0 means 5 and the answer is 105 degree. Don't forget to write 105 degree and this is the required answer. I hope it's clear. So what all things are given there, check it thoroughly and then write all that. From that how we can find out, check it and then complete. Now we are going to do that 7th question. 7th question is this one, and if here a small box like square type if it is given, it means it is 90 degree and clearly it is given there in the question also, but still sometimes it won't be given there 90 degree. So you should understand that this one is 90 degree. So AOB is equal to 50 degree. What is AO? This one is O. AOB is given and it is 50 degree. So I just marked it here. Now what? AOE 90 degree. So it is already here, it is 90 degree. And COD 25. Where is COD? COD means this angle. It is 25 degree. So these things are given in the question. Now we want to find out the given 5 questions answers. So what is the first one in that? The first one is angle BOC. BOC we want to find out. Where is BOC? Here BOC. This angle we want to find out. Before that, any other angles are given than these 3? Just check that first. So we can understand that angle AOC is already knows. What is angle AOC? It's a straight angle. It means angle AOC also given there and it is 180 degree. So that also we are writing along with these three. Angle AOC 180 degree. Now just think about BOC. How we can find out angle BOC? BOC total 180, from that we want to subtract 50. So don't write 180 minus 50. Before that, from which angle we are subtracting which angle? Clearly it should be given. So angle AOC minus angle AOB. So from this total we are subtracting this small part, then we will get this remaining one. That means 180 degree minus this 50 degree, which is equal to 130 degree. Now the second one is EOD. Second one, angle EOD. Angle EOD. Where is angle EOD? EOD. This angle we need. This angle. So this one is 90 degree. This total is 180. This part is 90. What about this part? COE. What is COE? If this much is 90 degree, what about the other part? That is also 90 degree. Right? So two ways will be there for doing one question. Two or more ways will be there. Which one you prefer, that you can do. Okay, so angle EOD is asked. EOD. So according to the given question, this total AOC, the top or bottom, both the sides, it is 180 degree. So this one is 90, this one is 25, and we want to find out this. Then how we can find out? The total was angle AOC. From that, we want to subtract which all? Angle AOE and angle COD. Both we should subtract from this. Means we should add these two and then subtract it from this. Which is equal to, the total is 180 degree minus 90 plus 25. Okay, from this total 90 plus 25 we will add and then we will subtract, then we will get this angle, which is equal to 180 minus, add these two, 115 degree, 115 degree, which is equals 65 degree. Now the third question, obtuse angle BOD. Which is obtuse angle BOD. Where is BOD? Which is that obtuse angle? Means obtuse angles means what? Which is more than 90 degree, less than 180 degree. So it means this is the obtuse angle. So the first thing is you should understand or identify which angle we want to find out. So it is BOD. This one means you should add these two angles, which is equal to angle BOC plus angle COD. Means you should add this and this angles together, which is equal to, what is BOC? We already found here, that is 130 degree. 130 degree plus 25 degree, which is equal to 155 degree. 155 degree. The main thing is you should understand or you should find out which angle we want to find out. Angle BOD means obtuse angle BOD is this one. So what about reflex angle? What is meant by reflex angle? Reflex angle means more than 180, less than 360. So what is the angle back of it? So BOD, its reflex means this part. So you should add 1, 2, 3, these 3 parts. Okay. Now the fourth question is reflex angle BOD. Same question is asked. Fourth one, reflex angle BOD. Two ways are there to find out. The first one is you should add 50, 90 and this angle. That's the first thing. Otherwise, this total is 360 degree. From that 360, if we are subtracting this, you will get the reflex angle. Two methods are there. Both the methods I will show you here. So the first method is just add these 3. So we can write like this: angle BOA plus angle AOE plus angle EOD. When we will add 1, 2, 3 angles, we will get the reflex angle, which is angle BOA is 50 degree plus this angle is 90 degree plus the other angle is, what is that angle? 65 degree. So we can do one thing, whenever we are finding one by one angle, we can write over there. So there won't be any confusion. It will be easy for us to check from the question. So we wrote. Now add these 3 angles. (205 degree). This is one method. Okay. What is the other method? I told reflex angle, how we can find out? From the total, that is 360, just subtract the rest. So reflex angle BOD is equal to, the total means from 360 degree subtract this angle, which is that this one obtuse angle BOD we should subtract. So what is total? 360. From that obtuse angle BOD, which we already found, that is 155. So 155 we are subtracting, and then we will get here the same answer. (205 degree). Now we can move towards the next question, that is fifth one, reflex angle COE. So reflex angle COE, it is also we can do the same way. 2 ways are there. So for this question I will show you both the ways. Next question onwards only one way. Okay, because you should know which are the 2 ways. Both ways will be correct. So first method, COE. This is a given angle, that is, this is the angle. Its reflex means this one. So reflex angle COE is equal to angle AOE plus angle AOB plus angle BOC, which is equal to the first one, AOE is 90 degree plus this one is 50 degree plus the next one is 130 degree, which is equal to 270 degree. reflex angle is 270 degree. Whenever you are finding reflex angle, definitely that angle will be more than 180 degree. If you are getting less than 180, it means somewhere you made mistake. So just that time you have to check it once again. One more method. What is that one more method? From the total, that is from 360 degree, subtract the obtuse angle of this one. So reflex angle COE is equal to, from 360 degree we want to subtract which angle? COE. 360 degree minus what is COE? COE means this half, that is 90 degree, which is equal to 270 degree. I hope this one is clear to you. So 7th question, 5 subtitles, all these things we completed. Now we can do that 8th question in that first one. So 8th question, this is a figure, A and B is given. In that 3 questions are there, 1 and 3 we will do, 2 will be homework. Okay. So A, first one, A is 130 degree. The first question, A is 130 degree, means this angle is 130 degree. So whenever we are doing a problem, if there is no name for this angle, better first write or first give a name for it. So I am just giving it as A, B, C. It's up to you if you want P, Q, R, whatever you want you can give it. So I am just giving it as A, B, C angle. Now angle A is equal to 130 degree, means this small angle is 130 degree. How we will find out the angle B? What is this angle? Means this total is around a point, it is 360 degree, right? So A is given and it is 130 degree. So what about B? B is equal to, the total is 360 degree. From that we want to subtract this 130 degree. From where we got this 360? It is already we studied in the last class, that is the degree around a point is always 360. Sum of the, it's already given, right? Sum of the angles around a point is 360 degree. So from that we took this 360, which is equal to, the total was 360 minus 130. What is that? So we can write here, it is minus A. So 360 degree minus 130 degree, which is equal to, just subtract these two and that is the required answer. 230 degree, which is the given answer. Okay. Now the third one we are going to do. I hope this one is clear to you. The third question is, A is equal to 5 by 3 right angle. What is meant by right angle? Right angle means 90 degree. 5 by 3 right angle means 5 by 3 of a right angle. So what is this A? A is equal to 5 by 3 into, of means into, right angle, what is the degree? 90 degree. We can write here, right angle is 90 degree. The right angle means it is 90 degree. Now just find out this A. 3 in 90, how many times? 30. 5 3s are 150. So we got A as 150 degree. If we got A as 150 degree, how we can find out the B? The same method, B is equal to 360 degree minus A. Sum of the angles around a point, that if you want you can write here. Around a point is 360 degree. I'm not writing full, just write sum of the angles around a point is 360 degree, which is equal to 360 degree minus this 150 degree, which is equal to 210 degrees. So this is the answer for 8th one's answer. Okay. So with this, we are stopping here, and I hope these things are clear to you. It may be a little bit difficult, but write and study, it will be okay for you. Okay. Thank you.